So let's review on doing chaining. Now as I talked about with the loops, the only way to get the hook out is by turning it upside down. Okay, you can turn it any other direction. I don't care which way you do it, because the only way it can come out is down. Okay, so what this is called, it's called yarn over. So what I want you to do, let's just review your hand again. So, and basically let's put this yarn into your hand and get it ready. So you just put up your hand. I just naturally do it. I've been crocheting for 25 some odd years. So I just do naturally, and then turn over my hand, and then I use my flamenco clapping hands, and I use that to hold the knot underneath. So I don't want to grab this loop at all. I'm holding the knot just like you see. Now the big trick is that you gotta make sure that this string is relatively has some tension in it. That's too loose for me, just like you see. So all I'm just gonna do is take the string on the other side here and just pull it a little bit tighter. Okay, so basically I want you to put your finger in the air like so, and there should be tension here. Okay, it shouldn't be like a violin string, but it's got tension. It's not loosey-goosey. You don't see it warping, so it's got tension. So as I talked about, you can only go down. So when you go to grab this yarn, okay, you don't go and over like that. You have to rowboat back. It's called yarn over, but I call it rowboat. So I rowboat back and I turn my hook over, down and through. Okay, so now I let go of the project with my fingers, and then I repinch the new knot that I just did, the new chain. So let's rowboat back, turn over and through. Okay, let me get a different angle. So pinch, back and through, pinch. Okay, so I'm always gonna just always just wrap like this. So come up underneath and wrap so it turns over like this. Don't ever go this way, because do you see that it's not really gonna go, it's gonna go through the stitch, but this is the correct way. So you're yarning over. So yarn over and through, yarn over and through, and just keep practicing about this. Now your chain probably will not be as consistent with this when you're doing this for the very first time, so you just gotta keep playing around. Okay, this comes in time. So you'll notice that the string is just naturally coming in, but newbie crocheters, this string is always really sloppy because they're not sure of this. So basically whenever I need tension, I'd close my hand naturally just on its own, and then if I need more tension I raise this string up even more. So some people crochet, and when I crochet most of the time it's like this. Okay, sometimes it's up, but I only go up when I need that tension. So if this was not tight enough, I would go up and then I have tension. Okay, so you yarn over and through. So I say it's a rowboat, and we come back and through. So continue to practice your chains.